You're not just Amelia Thermopolis. You are Amelia Mignonette Thermopolis Renaldi, Princess of Genovia.
Me? A princess? Shut up!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa Ferran, but today I am a princess, as you can tell. We're gonna do a transformation for my Halloween costume. I mean, this is not the Halloween costume, don't worry, but I had to go all the way in. We are transforming into my favorite movie from my childhood slash adulthood slash coming of age, I don't know. But anyways, today, well, I mean, I got this shirt and it's a little bit tight because I got it from Goodwill. But I already did my face, and as you can see, it's a very, very, like, normal face. I have a Halloween party. It's just a small gathering, and it was a very last minute thing, and also, like, it's very small, so, like, I didn't want to go, you know, all crazy. I like Halloween costumes. I love Halloween, but I just want to be comfortable. Honestly, like, to me, that's the name of the game every year. I love cool costumes. Would I wear them? I don't know. I don't think so. Today we are gonna be Amelia Mignonette Thermopolis Renaldi. So I went to the gym this morning and my hair is so gross. Like, I mean, it's just very, very meh, which actually works for today's look. I had it in my silk ponytail. I have this little, like, samples I got from Ulta from the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. I'm gonna use it because my hair was so greasy and yucky after the gym. And I mean, whatever we're gonna do today, I am going to have to wash it tomorrow anyway, so. Now, when I decided that I was gonna be Amelia Mignonette, just Mia, for Halloween, I hate the fact that, I don't know, it's like, oh my god, she, you know, had glasses and curly hair or braces, and then she takes off her glasses or she straightened her hair and now she's beautiful. Like, why can't she be beautiful with curly hair? Like, movies like that are the ones that caused my insecurity when I was younger, and that sucks. So I am gonna be an in-between. I mean, I did my normal face. I didn't do my crazy eyebrows like she had in the movie, because why? And I don't have polo here, so I'm not gonna straighten my hair. I'm not gonna make my hair crazier than it already is. I mean, if you want, you can always just brush your hair, which I thought about it, but at the same time, like, I don't want to do that to my hair. I have this shirt from Goodwill, regular shirt. She's supposed to have, like, this, like, knot here, but I can't find it, so it is what it is. I'm going to use these hair clips that I found on Dollar Store, and these glasses that I was buying on Dollar Store, which I wish I had my black glasses, but I don't have them anymore. The ones that I have, which I only have one pair of glasses right now, are these ones, and they're too fashionable for, like, old school Mia. I'm still gonna take them though, just because I don't have anything and I cannot see. For the costume itself, I am going to, I can never part my hair in the middle anymore, because now my hair is always, like, to the side, so my middle part is never existent. So I'm going to use these hair clips that she has. They're so, oh my god, my hair is so thick. I don't know if it's gonna be able to. Okay, I haven't used hair clips in so long, by the way. Okay, and why one doesn't look the same? I think I have more hair in one side of my hair than the other one. I've always had that, but just put a little bit more. Guys, my husband's gonna be Dwight. He couldn't find the costume, and I was like, he didn't want to do it. He didn't want to be anything, so I was like, hey, you know, just try it out. So he found some stuff at Goodwill, and he just settled for that. I didn't want him to spend like $50 for a pineapple costume, even though I love pineapples. You didn't know it, but it's like, that's just ridiculous. We just bought a house. Like, are you gonna wear that again ever? But anyway, so these are my hair. This is my hair. I'm gonna put my glasses now. I am going to show you my my custom, well, my remaining custom, because I still have to do a couple of things. So this is my whole custom. Guys, let me just show you real quick. So I bought the glasses at Dollar Tree for $1, honestly. Then the clips, the hair clips, for $1 as well. I got this shirt from Goodwill, which is why it's so tight on me right now. It was either this one or my husband extra large shirt, and that didn't work out. The skirt I got it from Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below. It comes with shorts. I got these socks from Target. They were $2.50, and these boots I had before. They're from Zara. I love them. The blazer is from Zara as well. I mean, I already had this in my wardrobe. Again, this is something very last minute, very easy. I didn't even have to wash my hair for this. So, ta-da!
City is my club tonight. Hips way under traffic lights. Streets are glowing neon bright. It's a dance floor in moonlight. New age and life can get crazy. I just sit away like whoop, oh no. If I'm too serious then I might go crazy. I just sit away like whoop, oh no. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio, oh oh. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio, oh oh. Walk down the street and I move to the snare. Throw my hands up to the bass like a prayer. Stars shine behind